This is the place where we stopped yesterday, right? This is the place where we stopped yesterday. So I think static scoping already we done. We have to do dynamic scoping. We have to do dynamic scoping. Can we go ahead? Static scoping we done. Can we go to dynamic scoping? Let's go to dynamic scoping. Let's go to dynamic scoping. I'm clearing it out. I'm clearing it out. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I will clear it out so that I can explain here itself. Just give me 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me clear it out. Yesterday, this is the thing where we stopped. Let me give the answer. Yeah, those people who completed dynamic scoping, can you say your answer? Those people who completed dynamic scoping, can you say your answer? Say your answer one time. Dynamic scoping, those people who completed, can you say your answer one time? Yeah, fine. Let me start now. Everything is ready. Let me start. A dynamic scoping answer. Those people who done dynamic scoping, can you say the dynamic scoping answer? Can you say the dynamic scoping answer? Can you say the dynamic scoping answer? Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Rishabh. Yeah, fine. Shakir is saying that. Shakir, why all the people not join? Shakir, why all the people not join? Ask them in the group. They may be thinking class is 9:30. They may be thinking class is 9:30. Priyoshi, why less people join? Ask them in the group. Ask in the group. Maybe they may be there in another channel. Maybe Reddy sir channel, maybe they have. They may be there in another channel. I don't know. Student, what is weekend? What is a non-weekend? Student, everything is everything you have to study. Rishabh, only Algo DSE is available. Algo DSE separately there also, right? A full course also there. So my request is join all. It will be useful to you. My request is join all. It will be definitely useful to you. Otherwise, only Algo DS separately there. If you want, you can join that. Right, fine. That's okay. Let's come here. Let's come here now. I'm starting. In my opinion, today's class is started now. In my opinion, today's class is started now. Let me start. Dynamic scoping. See this one, first compile. Dynamic scoping, first compile. When you compile, global variable memory will allocate A5, address 1000, B9, address 2000. At one place only, right? Static scoping, dynamic scoping will differ. At one place only, remaining all will be similar. Scope problem, they both will differ. Right? Whenever scope problem will come, then they will differ. If a scope problem is not there, static scoping also will give same answer, dynamic scoping also will give same answer. Scope problem, wherever scope problem, then only different answer will come. Scope problem is not there, right? Only one answer. Now I am executing, see, whatever way I am executing dynamic scoping, static scoping also similar. By default, C programming static scoping means normally every student knows static scoping only. Every student knows static scoping only. Every student normally knows static scoping. They will think that that is the only way. No, every student is normally think that is the only way. No, bhaiya, it is not the only way. It is not the only way. Right? I'm saying to you, it is not the only way. Scope problem will come. There are two solutions: static scoping, dynamic scoping. By thinking about time, static scoping is better. The reason is you are doing little early, right? You will get the less cost. If anything you do little early, you will get the lot of benefit. If anything you do right little bit early, you will get lot of benefit. So my request to every student, whoever watching this class, my request to every person, my request is, please be forward. Don't be in the backward position. Please be in the forward position. If something you want to do after 5 months, do it now itself. Don't keep unnecessarily in the pending state. If you keep pending state, I think problems will increase. You want to do something, do it early. So like static scoping advantage is, right, you are doing early, lot of time you can save it. Right? Now can you come to the dynamic scoping? Dynamic scoping purpose is while running you want to solve a problem. While running, there may be a chance that many problem, right? Many variables are there. While running, there may be a chance that many variables are available. Selecting one of them will be little costly. You have to do so many pop, so many push, and so on. But anyhow, in the exam, they may ask you. If they don't ask, go for static scoping. If they ask, go for dynamic scoping. So I'm doing dynamic scoping. Let's start compile. So I compiled for global, right? For global variable memory allocated in the static area. Okay, that is fine. Next one, run the program. It is a stack. Run the program. First main is called. Okay, main function is called. Now if you see, first main function is called. Just wait. Yeah, main function is called. So I'm just saying this. Everyone listen, main function is called. In the main first line, a is equal to 5 to the declaration. Yeah, it is creating some problem. Yeah, a is equal to 5. Right? First line, a is equal to 5. See the second line. First line is over. Second one, b is called. B function is called. Go to the b now. Right? Next one, I think if you see the second line, b called. I went to the b. In the b first line, what is the answer? B, right? One variable declared. Because of you didn't kept anything, by default garbage. First line is over. Can you see the second line? Print AB. Very interesting answer. Very interesting answer. Can everyone see? In the B function, second line, print AB. B garbage. A not there. So scope problem. Scope problem. Free variable. Dynamic scoping. Go previous. In the previous one, is there any A? Yes, take. Yeah, 5G will come. Right? Output. First output. 5G will be printed. First 5G will be printed. In the B function, second line is completed. Can you see in the B function, third line? Everyone observe. In the B function, third line, see some C of B. C of B. Can you help me now? In the B function, what is the, right? See this one. In the B function, C of B, that is the small b, remember, small b. In the B function, small b passing. Everyone know B going means, what is the answer? Garbage value going. Am I right or wrong? Check. Int b, right? Because of local variables by default garbage. Local variable by default garbage, right? So what is the answer now? Printf AB, right? B is garbage because of dynamic scoping. A is before 5 garbage printed, second line is over. Can you see the third line? C of B. What are the B? Garbage. So garbage is going. Right? Now see what happened. Printf AB, interesting answer. Printf AB. Everyone listen. Printf AB. A not there, B not there. Scope problem. What is the dynamic scoping? Go previous. Right? So I think which function? C called. So go to the C function. In the C function, let's see. Sorry for this. In the C function, sorry for this one. A is came int A. A is a local variable. What is the by default? Garbage. A is a local variable. The thing what is came is garbage only. Print AB, A garbage. What about B? Here not available, go previous. Garbage. 2 garbage will be printed. Second, right? First line is over. See the second line. A77, B55. A77 will be printed, stored here. B55. Here not there, go previous. Here B55. From which place you printed, same place will change. From which place you printed, same place will change. Next one, can you help now? D function is called. A will go here, B will go. First will go to first, second will go to second. What the A? 77 will go. What the B? 55 will go. Now, who is the receiver? D function. D function receiver, if you see, B. What the B got? 77. What the A got? 55. Now, A is equal to B plus 5. A is equal to B plus 5. B is, I think, 77. Plus 5 is going to be 82. Next one, B is equal to 3 minus A. 3 minus A is 82. So, I think it's going to be minus 79. So, this is completed. Next one, printf AB. A is 82. B is minus 79. 82 minus 79. Right? Please check once. Anyone, if I done anything wrong, let me know. Johan, if I done anything wrong, let me know. Johan, if I done anything wrong, let me know. Till now, if I done anything wrong, let me know. Gayatri, please verify. Shakir, please verify. Gayatri, please verify. Check. Yeah, I think in the D function completed. D function is completed, so cooperate. Now control will come back to same position from which place you went. See, in the C function, fourth line purpose you went outside. When you say outside is over, fourth line is completed. After fourth line, C function is over. C also popped out. When C popped out, right, for what purpose you came? In the B function, third line purpose, third line over. When outside work is over, third line is over. Can you say what is the fourth line? Fourth line, I am in the B function. Fourth line, what is the answer? A is equal to 25, B is 36. B 36, okay. But A is 25, A not there. So free variable, static, right? Dynamic scoping, go previous. It became now 25. Now after completion of the fourth line, so I think B function is completed. Now control will go back to from which place you came. So second line purpose you went outside. Second line is outside is over, means second line is over. Can you come to third line? In the main function third line, printf AB. In the main function third line, printf AB. A25 okay. A25 okay because local variable. What is the B? B not there. Stat, right? I think dynamic scoping. Go before no one. Go before no one. I think everyone know. Dynamic scoping, worst case behave like a static scoping. In the main function, there is no B, right? You have to go to before main, global variable is there. So global variable B 9, A is 25, 9 will be printed. 9 will be printed. So that is also completed. Next one, D of AB. So D of AB, A will go here. B, right? So B will go here. So first one, second one. Be careful, first one, second one. I am removing this. You may be confused, so I'm removing this. Remember, first one, second one, second one. Names not important here. First one, second one, second one. First one, second one, second one. If you want, I can remove a little bit. First one, second one, second one. I will draw again. First one, second one, second one. In any way you can draw, whatever way you like, no objection. So first one, second one, second one. Yeah. So first one is B going, second one is A going. What is the B? B. What is the B? Can anyone guess? B not there. In the main function, B not there. So what is the meaning of dynamic scoping? Go before. So B9 going. What is the A? I think a local variable A 25. 25 going. So 9, 25. 9, 25. It is a 9, it is a 25. Now what is the answer? In the main function. See, remember, in the main function, this entire, right? From main function you came here. So I think let's see this one. Main will call this person. Main will call this person. Function name is D. D. In the D, A there, B there. What is the A? 25. What is the B? 9. In the main function you call D, A 25, B 9. See, remember, see, you don't see these people, right? Just see, first one will go to first place. First one will go to first place. Second one will go to second place. What is the first one? A 9. B 9. What is the second one? A 25. So in the D function local variable A 25, B 9. Now see, in the D function, first line, A is equal to B plus 5. So 9 plus 5, A. What is the answer? 14. Can you help? B is equal to 3 minus A. 3 minus A. A is 14. 3 minus 14 is minus 9. 3 minus 14, right? I think minus 11. Right. I think D function is completed. D function is completed. So I think this line over, this line is over. Printf AB. What is the A, B now? A 14, B minus 11. Right? Fine. I think D function is over, cancel. Then whenever D function is over, cancel, you come back to main. Main also completed. So main also cancel. Main also cancel. Right? Main also cancel. Right? After main is cancelled, then automatically, right? So static area, whatever memory there, that is also gone. This is the output of dynamic scoping. If anyone having any doubt, let me know. If anyone having any doubt, let me know. 5 garbage, 82 minus 79, 25 and 9, 14 and minus 11. Is it right or wrong? Let me check. Anyone will say, sir, this is the wrong, sir. Let me know, I will help you. Sir, this is the wrong, sir. Let me know, I will help you. Check once. This is the wrong, sir. You please let me know, I will help you. Can we go next? Can we go next? Can we go next? Can we go next? If you don't have any doubt, I can go to the next one. If you don't have any doubt, I can go to next one. Check. Can we go to next? Yeah, please type one time. Please type one time. Go next. Please type one time. Go next. Please type one time. Go next. Sir, you are always right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Johan. Sometimes I will also do wrong. Yeah. Can I go next? Gayatri, can I go next? Gayatri, can I go next? Yeah. Next one. Next one is very, very important. Next one is very, very important. Take care.